Hey guys, welcome to today's new video. Today I'll be reviewing these little shelves. You can just open them like this. You can put your stuff in here. So, this is what I have for now. It was way more messier before. Like, as you guys can see, hold on, let me put this. I had, like, toys in here, little poppets from years ago, pictures that I have broken, but I might fix later. I think I have my bracelet making kits up in here, too. Slime, an old fish tank in my closet. And, yeah, this is what I had. This is my school supplies, by the way. But these are my toy stuff. But I decided to get rid of that because I got these. Sorry, my room's a mess right now. So I'm just going to clean this out and I'll be right back. So as you guys can see, I did put them all in there. And down here is all my slime stuff in here. In here is all my poppets. In here are just plushies. I don't want to open that one up. And over here on this side, there is like just stuff in here. There's pictures. There's some cars in there. Right here, I'm going to put blankets in here, I think. Here has my bracelet making kits right there. I don't want to mess those up, but as you can see, those are my bracelet making kits. And I do love these. Hope you guys like them too. And I'm sure they're going to love these because I don't want to have anything in my closet because I did have a mice thing in here. And I don't want to have any more mice. Anyways, I really like these two. And if you guys want them, I'll try to find them. And I'll link them down below. So I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.